Alright, so what's going on with me is trying to figure out my life today. But now, man, you know, I say that lightly, man. Really, today I haven't figured out, you know what I'm saying, that was ego. Nah, that ain't even ego. It's confidence. You know what I'm saying? Certainty. That I haven't figured out. But ego want me to be like, nah, bro, you don't know, bro. You don't know, bro. You sure? So my ego is tripping right now, but that's all I'm gonna say about that. You know what I'm saying? I just wrapped up a meeting with Mr. Derrick James. So they coming soon. You know, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. This is Mr. Guru Hood, President Guru Hood. You know what I'm saying? Which y'all know. You know, appreciate all my people, man. You know more and more. The deeper we go, you know what I mean? You'll know more and more, you feel me? With no hesitation. I'm gonna leave y'all with that for a minute.